Guys, a lot of you are asking about the 42 by 24 reverse flow smokers. We have a couple options here. In this case, you can come to our shop and pick it up, hang out with us here at Shots on Smoke. Another thing is we will ship them. So we'll put these on a truck, put on a pallet and shipped out to you. This one will be leaving today. So whatever way we can get one to you if you're interested in one of our reverse flow smokers. 1,100 pounds of goodness. That ain't going nowhere.
I know Jeep's pretty fast. So it really pulls nice too with the Jeep. Yeah.